Here, shine that thing over here.
Yeah, driving his Tesla.
Tesla man.
Okay, let's see it do autopilot. Hands off. Look at that.
No hands, Mom.
No touch.
55 miles an hour. And we'll dial it up a little bit, and we'll take it up to 56, 57.
No hands. Look at that.
I don't want to show you what I've been doing with my hands while you weren't looking. Now, watch this. Lane change by itself. Did you get that?
I think so.
Here we go. Centering itself in the lane.
Tesla Autopilot on Pacific Coast Highway southbound. And a lane change. And we're missing all these cars and obstacles automatically. Another lane change.